congratulate the entire team of the PHE department, all the officials and our Honorable Minister who is leading from the front to ensure that he leaves no stone unturned to really deliver what is meant to for the people of the state. To conclude, I would like to also mention today that starting this quarter, that means the fourth quarter of 2023-2024 financial year, the government will be marking one day in every quarter where the government of Meghalaya will support different districts, different blocks and villages also in a phase-wise manner. We will start with district headquarters, where once in every quarter, all political leaders, all government officials, all schools, students, teachers, all the citizens of the state, we will come together. Government will fund and support you financially, and we will clean up our towns and our cities, our villages and our communities together. So starting this quarter, we will choose one day, we will announce it, and on that day, in all the district headquarters, every single citizen in that district headquarter, we will come out together to start this process of committing ourselves and renewing our entire commitment towards ensuring that we keep our cities and our towns and our villages